man, you should hate yourself. Look into a mirror, nigga, rate yourself.
Nigga, rate yourself.
Look at the shit that we doing. Motivate yourself.
Motivate yourself.
Brace yourself. I ain't got my motherfucking juice back. I ain't got my motherfucking juice back.
Now what you say?
I didn't got my juice back.
Now what you say?
I didn't got my motherfucking juice back.
I need you guys to see what you got, man.
Say motherfucking
juice. It's juice. It's juice. It's juice. It's juice. It's juice. Okay, juice. Now, okay, juice. Yeah, look. Say, back in the game like it's twist on my nigga. Now what you tell her? I say, right on the spot like it's twist on my nigga. You get it? See, I've been under pressure lately. I've been too much to make a drama and estimated. I've been too much away the music and exclusive in this all because I try to balance both. I have to make it. I need a lot of hate for the stress. I'm giving out a lot of babies every day. Now she blowing up my phone with the text. Say she thinks she got it. Hey, I tried to tell her to get rid of it, but all she do is call me ignorant. So we always fighting over some little shit. I'm cold-hearted and mean, I make considerate, but I be got.
I can't worry about purpose, the weight on my shoulders, there's just enough
damage. See, I drop a hell up a tank, took a break, now I'm working on something to match it. Cause me and that root boy, they major, it's major, that happens when talent is natural. See, I got my juice and this time I say so to these rappers, so to these rappers. Now what you tell these rappers? You tell us something.
Hate yourself.
You should hate yourself. Say that shit loud as up.
Nigga, rate yourself.
Nigga, rate yourself. Look at this shit that we doing. Now motivate yourself. So motivate yourself. Let's go. Say, I didn't got my motherfucking juice back. Say, I didn't got my motherfucking. Now what you say? See that shit loud. Say, I didn't got my. Now what you say? Say, I didn't got my motherfucking. I need you guys to tell me what you got left. What was that? Say, motherfucking. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. Okay, let's sing it to him.
Okay.
Say, I didn't got my juice back. Say, I didn't got my motherfucking. I can't hear you guys. Say, I didn't got my motherfucking. A little more attitude. Say, I didn't got my motherfucking juice back. Okay, I need you guys to tell me what you got left. Motherfucking you what? It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. Hold on. Say motherfucking you what? It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. Can I get an okay, Juice? Let me tell you, my name is Nasty C. I just want to do one more song before I go. Let's go.